Joshua Bafethu Gujani. Welcome to Idiskila Sekasi. You are here with Usimpiwe Usimza, and today is Pete the hot man. Futhi me, I see him as a timer. He'll be joining us today. I was telling his journey about Ibor. Gujani Tamala.
Yeah, I'm calling Simpiwe. Ninjani.
Sapila Tamala. Can you please start by telling us ukuthi ukhulele kuphi, and then when did uqala ukudlala ibhola, and the love for soccer yaqala phi kahle kahle?
Mina Simpiwe, igama lami nguSteven Lunga wakwaShlongwane. So mina ngakhulela eMavimela section, then that's where ngaqala khona ibhola 1987. That's where I started. 87, 88 qala under 10 eLiverpool. That's where ngaqala khona ibhola ke eMavimela. Then after that journey I moved until 91 ngamuvela eMleleki extension 2, which is A6. Yeah. That's where I began starting to play for New Jersey because we're saying other side. Yeah, China yami iqale kanjalo ibhola ke. I-youth program yami.
Okay, so from New Jack City, how many years did you spend in Ghana?
Liverpool I spent almost cause 1988, 89, 90 we played Chappies. Then we won. We beat Chester Chiefs. We beat them. First time we beat them 89. We beat them 6-0. Then the second time we beat them 4-0. Yeah, with this Chappies League. Then the semi-final 1991 we beat the Smiling Parks, it's my Football Stadium. That's where the Stephen Laconi championship, Champions League, Paul Sakal, Sisimland. Yeah, so it was Smiling Parks, like Football Stadium. So, Basila 3-2, yeah. I remember that day. It was 3-2 on Saturday.
Oh, that was like professional level that you played?
Ukuqala kwayibini professional level yami. Ngiqale lapho wina la medal la Liverpool. Then it went to 2000 I went to Katlong City. I was studying standard 10 in matric.
Okay.
Katlong City mayithatha bengifunde eMpontsini. So far mina Simpiwe ibhola bengasinto engibhekile because into yasendlini yabona ibhola ngishayisa endleleni. So you know some other times in the poverty uyenza iphushele ukuthi uyenza into oyithandayo because by that time ekhaya we were struggling. So kwaba yimi umuntu oqala ukusebenza after umama abekasebenza emakhishini. So he started there 2000, and by that time I was earning 100 rand. Imagine 100 rand. Football career I started earning 100 rand salary.
But probably it was worth something that.
Yeah, that's why ibhola qala imnandi to us la manje. Elaqala ibhola singabhekanga imali. We were just looking nje ukuthi kumele sidlale ibhola elimnandi. Ibhola laqala beliqala enkolweni.
Yeah.
Yazi enkolweni kunabo Coca-Cola, kunabo Coke, kunayo yonke those stuffs. Bowazi esikolweni from Monday on Wednesday kuyadlala ama primary, Tuesday, Thursday ama secondary. Lento engasekho manje singasayiboni. That's why ibhola manje sama ugcina ibona ngathi alisanayo entertainment right towards youth esinayo manje because asalibona enkolweni ibhola.
So do you think ukuthi imali has affected ibhola from before namanje? Because I still believe we coach much.
Yeah, I mean, so far when it comes to imali yabona understand abantu babona ngathi maybe that time isakhula bekunemali kanti thina that time isakhula bekunganamali. We were just playing football. Hence I'm telling you, mina ngiqalela in 2000 I was playing NFT, says MTN. I was playing for Katlong City. 2001 I was playing for City Sharks. 2001, 2002 I was playing City Sharks. And you know sometimes it's an honor playing nomuntu bomfika sasesikoleni. Mawuqeda umbeke ebenchini. Mina bengidlala uJames Khosa. And it was my favorite. Boy remote yami. But it happened in 2001, second big benching City Sharks. But that was my honor game. Umuntu being in favor ngisakhula. ngagcina ngidlala naye ngigcina sengimbeka lapha sengimbona ahlele ngaphandle ngingadlala so that's where the beginning of my career professional football ngidlala City Sharks ngasuka City Sharks 2002 3 ngaya kuBinoni United which is its Hellenic. That's where I started my professional PSL football. Bese ngidlala PSL lapho Hellenic owned by Undlovu. Then after that City Sharks Hellenic ngabuya ngathi Classic. Then after Classic I went to Witbank. After Witbank I went to Nelspruit. They were club but it was Dakis. After Nelspruit I came back ngaya kuma Masters. After Masters, my season again, I went to another team by this foot. Nelspruit foot. I played again. So that was my journey in the football. I almost made 10 my team NFT.
NFT?
Yeah, those 10 teams NFT yeah, PSL given a contract 2001 before ngizosana ku City Sharks again ku Manning Rangers. That's where we in Durban. Then ngaba ne contract, then we were coaching by Steve from Pere by that time. Bengaba no Scar Ngobese. Sambise umuntu baThumonde wala isikhosana bawaKabelo. So asisele yena uyimuskara uMandela. Asise for my trials for le. So it happened masifike ma trial uMskara wangishiya waya kuMaZulu. Mandela wangishiya wakuMaritzburg. So by that time I was alone. Nami sengisayinile ngabaleka nami. Ngaqenda apha ngibuyile elokushini, ngibuyele ku City Sharks. Bagcina sebangicela futhi ukuthi ngcono ngibuyele emuva. That's where my first premiership contract engayisana ku Manning Rangers. But azange fulfill because ngihamba engakaqala.
So do you think like manje there's so many problems I'm a player who deal with much, like in terms of the team, the management? Did you ever had like problems with the management, like in all of those teams, or like like contracted paid or backside and then you have?
Yeah, I mean, I'm simply honest. Angazi ngibe ne problem management. Mina problem yami bokuyinja ngibe honest. Mina ngithanda ama boss. Yabona mina ngikutshela namanje mina manje udlala mina ngithanda iboss. And the boss being tender, and I've never done anything wrong. Mina coming to my history football, mina bengithanda my boss, and coming to the stage which I'm a boss azokufeyilisa mawudlala ibhola bafethu. I'm still telling you nama yamanje, don't ungavumeli ukuthanda iboss cause iboss ayidlala ibhola, icoach ayahamba kusasa izwa kwenye indawo usazohlangana naye. It happened in Simpiwe. I still regret namanje. In 2006, coach out. Before Pans Papel, I was coaching by Tuota Stenbock, Upinoni. When we went to a Cape Town, Islam Santos, Said 1-0. Then we came back on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, one sideline on his grandstand. Not knowing what bona, seven coach I have official funny matid. So now coach on Bega grandstand, how long. So it happened, we boss to Msalim Jofa Fonela. Oh, coach today, Steven Ngoop at that time said grandstand. So it happened within a Monday, Massing near Jimmy and Guanama paper with Walter Stenbock, Bamkoshi, Fagamutwa. So that's what my record meant. And it happened again 2006, Classic, and coach Alex Pans Papela. It happened since we are my playoff. Being aside Jimmy, I was lazy but being shy span. I was lazy with Jimmy. Ngai Jimmy bossing land in his campaign. So in terms among sending, Thursday boss and Tata and say Pichut. So Pans Mara figure Pichut coacher on Tolan say Pichut Naming Zola Nabisap and the Bonama Fear Friday, Minan Fear Thursday. It happened the coach and you have to coach. I mean, again coach Glam Fan. Off you two Pans during the week. Bekaloka angenzela agreement ukuthi mele ngiye ku-Sundowns the way ngidlala ngakhona. Yiyo into engigeta enye futhi is 2006. That's where negotiatela ukuthi mele ngiye la ku-Sundowns, you try la ku-Sundowns, anything can happen. And by that time before afika isizini yokucala bengidlala uThemba Zwane ufikele kimi. uThemba Zwane ufikele kimi, uMduduzi Yende ufikele kimi naye. Bengicela ukudlala nabo. The next season ngicoach uBhansi. Makumele nami ngabe ngilandela icatshulo zabo. Bengasajimi mina. That's why I regret coming to football ukuthanda ama-balls bafethu.
So into esho ukuthi nama-decisions wakho ngalesa sikhathi bewaro ngaleso sikhathi ubulawa yinye high or just that thing that was happening to you bekhona situation bobhekene nayo ngaleso sikhathi or into ukuthi ngiyazi kusala ngizodlala iboss yangithanda.
Yeah, bokile into leyo ukuthi hayi boss yangithanda yabona noma ngadlalanga plus laziness because mina normally yabona there's one coach bekaphili vela kimi yabona ofithu Page Mahlangu vele ngiqala ukuhlangana naye 2001 is where that's the only coach ezokutshela namanje ukuthi mawungajima uzothola manager and mina ngibe lucky enough because I've been coaching ama-player ama-former player ex-former player bewadlala ku-Sundowns and wonke akutshela same thing. Page uzokujimisa, Alex Papel uzokujimisa, Alex Malombo Dishak uzokujimisa and bonke badlala ku-Sundowns and since my entire football angazi ngivele injalo just inkinga ngokublaze.
So kuleyo professional career there, did you ever have lento ukuthi leyenza manje like players who have ama professional contact babuye bazodlala eKasi? We all know ukuthi you were that big eKasi.
Yeah, kuza kuleyo mina honest bachita ne qiniso. Uyazi abantu at least namhlanje ngizobona ukuthi at least ngilapha mngweni. Yazi sometimes ezinye izinto zizokhulunywa but egcineni akusiyo awuzazi yabona. You know mina sisakhula ne nomngani wami of which ama best friend wami way too vele. Bokusikaka Ngobese noGayani uJabulani Njengeni. So I normally used to thina masidlala mina bengidlala ama tournament ayi3 bafethu. Bengidlala tournament yango December, yango June, yange Easter. Bengazi June ngiyodlala eSpruit. December ngiyodlala maybe eThembisa or ngidlala eDaveyton. Nge-Easter ngidlala eThokoza. So le mina ukuthi mina ngisuke eteamini ecampini ngizodlala top 4. I've never done that in my career. That's why and that's what makes me and nama player which engiwacoachile la khona kokumanje ayadipina ngithandayo and that's why ngizibiza season coach. You know why ngizibiza season coach? Angazi ngicoach ama top 4. I hate top 4s. I hate play tangiman. That's what I'm doing. Discipline engiyenzi flop ngisadlala ibhola ngisafuna ibona iyenze. Yeah, that's what I'm doing with discipline. They can tell you I'm coach. Angeke ngibona player mina ngiyocoach top 4. Hence I can ask anyone uzokutshela ukuthi mina ngicoach ma top 4.
So imagine coach. So imagine lo match ngiwadlala bebangezi maybe during camp but nayi intonyana wazozodlala.
Hayi bengayenzi lento le ma tournament. Mina ama tournament ukudlala ibhola when time to retirement. Mina retire ngina date ndoda. And ibhola ngazitshela ngangitshayisa endlini retire ngina date of which is 2010. Ngathi ma retire ngaya isiqhele sedisk ngaye coach ngenza D license ngenza C of which manje ngifuna ukucedela iB license cap B license then ngibuyele futhi ebholeni because people are still complaining ukuthi why ngiyekela abantu abafana abancane babhizi amanyawo babhizi ama drugs why bukhona. So that's a task abangiphe yona ukuthi kumele ngibuyele vele mangicede iB license yami. Yeah.
So what are the cause Tina ngasho ukuthi mina I grew up watching you from a tour. So were you playing for the same team mawudlalela wonke lama tournament lawo?
Like yazi mina Simpiwe ne probably maybe advice engayipha zona youth amali intona zamanje. Mina beyithi bangidlala tournament mina bengisana isizini. I've never signed 5 seasons except Binoni here young signed 5 seasons because bengithanda uNdlovu. Bengisayina isizini. You know the season bengazi bayiphela season. Mina mangidlala eBhotuthu bengazi after mangicela ukudlala une team engithathayo. Mangicela ukudlala eSomhlolo bengazi une team engithathayo. Anyway where I played mina ngithola ama contract ma tournament. Ayi tournament engicedile ngisadlala I football career yami kahle engayithola khona icontact because ePototso ngayithola soyibank esomhlolo ngayithola yase Limpopo Pietersburg Pillars ngayithola khona then la ithokoza la people they don't know they were here Maupalang Masters ngayithola same la ithokoza Maupalang Masters. That's where I went to Pitori. Then Tembisa bisekhaya because ngikhulele khona mfethu Tembisa. That's where I spent a lot of time and ngila ngwina khona ama-this game 3 times alandelana. That's where tournament, that's my biggest tournament I enjoyed in my life, in my career, winning 3 times alandelana.
Yeah. So, Jehovah, you see, imagine there's like the Luffy tournament team, there's abantu who are very skillful because you are very skillful. So, I want to know would like before, let's say in a tournament or a club that kona club who are like rivalries and it.
Yeah.
So, because maybe ngale uno squad and then maybe ngapha kunawe. So which team bothanda kuba like kube opponent yakho? Because maybe there was some sort of comparison yana, and maybe who are the skillful players in those days?
Yeah, honestly, in my career, I mean, in my full career, my tournament towards, any team in Ghana, Gimme, being each other Ghana, being Tina Jones, best not being to buy the moon. I want towards me now. It boiled me enjoy too much. Go Liverpool, go local football, Liverpool, and I check it. Because that's where I know Uskara Marahanda. I know how to position myself.
Yeah.
Ukayan Maranza into Zaki, I look at Bamba, this is too sweet. I know how to position myself. Maybe that's where interview could now mean a superior. Ben could move position at the core.
Yeah.
Ile nto imosha iyuta manje amachita manje and ngathi ngazama ukuthi ngathi bayicede ukuthi ungathi mawudribble uSimphiwe makadribula malifika kimi ngifuna ukwenza into eSimphiwe ayenzile malisuka kimi nojuka naye ufuna ukwenza same thing edolo nani mina bengayenza into le mina bengiyinkomo mina umsebenzi wami ushaya net and people bengazi bafuna inet icamanye iqale manje icamanye sengicala manje nami sengifundisa funda khona bese ngifundisa uSkara Amai, not I went again. You saw one person inside time and Skaka come down a woman. That's us, so that's where Namin Tema saying ends and aboning 7th town. Some Shamatamanga, I'll shooting you out, take care. It happened Nambi Legu, Besku under 20. Mangala shy fall. Before Nafunis alone must have kicks. Leons Marcelos came to he's the one from the C4. That guy, one from the C4, Calcutta for Nepola, one from this. Then I'm being island. He's saying he shire, and he's up and I saying 7-7. I was having only 2 skills. Before Namatsama. Ezine
Tamaya.
Yeah. Yeah. But the penalty honest. I'm the first person who chip penalty. Yes. Besides that, except a schools. Mina ngikhala schools like chip penalty. He was the only one that I chip in 1992, 93 as like chips. Mara tuanje le 11th stage. Even can we chip 6 million in penalty ku Nedbank. Makaza awungeshipha ku 6 million ku Nedbank silale Tembisa ne Vasco da Gama yasidla 3-2 and that time ngichipa iposi yami acisha lala esibhedlela sinkimniswayo wayethukile ukuthi lo ungazuchipha penalty sodwa entweni ukuthi siyadliwa 2-1 ngathi lento isegazini
Tata le.
ngayithanda ubungozi ngachipa kusese 6 million yabona but end up uzidala ichipa ku World Cup mara obvious it's World Cup but you also done but what about me na sengishaye ku 6 million good balo bayidlalisa njalo nje and yabo manje sengu system wonke umuntu sekayicabanga phela because uchipa penalty is the goalkeeper yakhe
Yeah.
So how was it? Mama usuma vele ushaya penalty leyo yasukuma uthi ukhisha ngiyichipa lento ngiyayenza so bajikile abajenza usume vele lapho.
Oh, angibotshela. Ngivele ngasukuma nje. Ene bengekho aware ukuthi ngiyoyishaya because that game iVasco da Gama besidla training. And ngangena sesapho ngashaya net 3-2 3-1 ngabuya ngayenza penalty. Mangicela penalty makumele ngiyishaye bangishiftisa but awucela ungena uyazi ibhola kuqala. Ngathawuthawu ku there's a guy bathi uthawu mathabele. Wayishaya bayongisa. Ngayiphinda ngayenza ke futhi. Kula wonke umuntu ayesaba phela manje. I told myself that ngizoyichipa mina juice. That's where I went straight ngayichipa. So ngiyena iVasco da Gama bekumele ngithole contract yakhona but azange ngiend up ngigcine ngisingile eCape Town ngigcine sengiyi-Nelspruit. You know some other times njengoba ngisho ngithi ama-bosses bafethu mawusephuma ku-football azokubhayizisa somehow yabo towards contracts towards bakuthande towards izinto ezizwenzakala after masowungale. So ngi-advise nalento eyincane lezamanje bafithe ama-contract masiwayenza let's have ingqondo e-right and into ebashayo futhi wena simphiwe nawe Jukes ne i-advice ngizogama professional football players manje namanje asadlala lento yokusana ama-contract bese ngizosana ngabo-option. So all I'm trying ukuthi ngihighlight nalaba ukuthi mawusana option you have to know ukuthi mawuzothi option 2 years option renewal the 2 years option renewal it's a month ukuthi kumele uyisayine makuphela i-contract yakho. Noma ufuna ukuhamba lozojobhi nota hotel 2 years contract uzoyisayina. But uzoyisayina ngoba kuqeda bangakudlalisa. If you can watch ama-player manje amaningi gcina soyindapha bese ubona ngathi i-club le big ayifuni mina ngisadlali kodwa kanti wazibhayela ukuthi 2 years contract. The best thing you have to sign 4 years contract. Mayiphela 4 years yakho uyazambela. Akunanto ekuvimba akunanto ekubhandayo.
But most teams must wonke bahlezi bane-option because if you can't sign an option because of they have the thing ukuthi mali kusazokunila kule season elandelayo and sashisa the likes of aboshalulile man kuyimanje usabhayinile into ukuthi une-1 year option which is the contract athi phela next year. So you see intonyana ezikanjalo like mostly in most teams they use the 1 year option.
Angithi bayuse le option leyo during the maybe mawusayine 4 years uyashisa kule 2 years bayabona le 2 years lenye le uzoyishaya vele asesemnandi athi simnikana la 2 years baningi not and uyabona abaningi sebacela amaloni noma ngikuphi manje. I don't want to mention players so uyabona abaningi sebacela amaloni manje because ile 2 years le if there was no options ngabe uzambele free wawuthola inclub oyithandayo because awusathanda awusadlala awusekuhile.
So lento emaloni you think ukuthi players cela ukuthi can you please loan me out maybe ayozithengisa maybe to the other club.
Yeah, uyacela nami ngiyacela loan bafethu. Mami loan ngacela sengikorile le Witbank. Imagine mina I was having a contract 5 years ku Benoni. That's where sasign Benoni mangihlangana mangifika ku Benoni ngangidlala uChester uTshepo Masilela. Kahle kholoke. uJuly Mahlanga. Masicole Maramei. That's the name few ones yabona engababiza mina la bengifike nabo phela uTshepo Masilela ufike he was 16 years mafika he was like umshishi mafika mina uThemba what ufika na 16 years same esilalo mfana lona uTshepo so we end up sign ama 5 years Jutan nama was young by like 10 23 years 24 years we signed ama 5 years I played in first season when FD besadlala ngale Coastal and I'm still saying simphiwe nawe Jukes ukuthi ezinye izinto zayenzakala but singaziboni mina I'm the first player maybe South Africa maybe mawungabuza wonke umuntu sokutshela ukuthi akazayenza mina bengidlala mina ama FD yethu bengidlala iCoastal ne-Inland ayibe kune-Inland ne-Coastal iCoastal bokule side labo Cape Town le side elingana then England ile side la phandle ye traveler mina bengidlala Saturday ngo-3 mangabe ngidlala iThembiso ngo-3 ngiyadlala Saturday after game maybe ngizothatha iplane maybe eDurban ngidlala Saturday manje. After game ngithatha iplane eDurban. Ngiyodlala kuBinion futhi uPremier United. So into enginokuzibuza leyo bebangaboni ukungayenzakala. I don't know what's happening by that time. Mina bengidlala 2.
Hayibo.
Yeah.
So who registering into zakho zoyishu?
Hey, football. That's it. Bengidlala 2 mina. Bengikoka la kuCity Sharks. Bangikhaphe, bangimele endlini yemoto uNdlovu. Ngisuke ngithathwe nge-airport. It's 45 minutes phela eDurban. Ngisuke ngithathwe ngele ngiyodlala futhi eDurban.
So bongaregister izinto zakho zoyi-2.
Oh, uyaregister ndoda. It's football ndoda.
Bengani boregister. Ngonomsa, abantwana nayi.
Bengiregister nge-football name.
Oh, shoot bekushawa nakudala.
Beshawa lo nto le ndoda. Lento iqale ekolweni.
So nale lokukhatha iminyaka, was it even done?
Yeah, iqale ekolweni. Ingawo ngithi eventually thina ukudliwa eSmanning Parks. Yabona iChappies bemnandi ngani? uBani Kuchana, the former management SAF under 23. Asesela kuma juniors. Beakusefaka kabuhlungu besibheka height. Mawumfishane bo survive. Mawumude bo that's where thina ku Liverpool most lezi ndala bomdavazo bonwanwane uMaphuka I can name them most sponsors. Zonke bezimfishane. Phela that time awusayini emaklabhini bese ungasayini umuntu omude besibheka iheight. Iye besavavisa umuntu iheight wena Stux.
Height. Bebangafuna umuntu omude.
Uzo phela manje ifana kuma weGolf City. Angithi kunalo umuntu lo omeso ungena ngaphansi. Mawungena ngaphansi uthi awubhadala. Waphezulu wachayisa uyabhadala. That's what's happening that time ku Chappies.
Because besikwazi ukuthi ni sithundwa na 16
Yeah,
because of the height and
mfishane. Ibuka ibhola lakudala into beyenzakala ke kimi mina bengidlala la City Sharks. Mangicela ukukoka la ku-inland stream ngiyahamba or befuthi amagame amaningi bewadlala Sunday futhi ngana. Mangabe kuse Cape Town amagame amaningi uBinion besiwadlala Sunday behlala namhlanje Friday. Kusasa maybe ngizofly namhlanje ngibathole camping kusasa kuyadlala.
So you never got caught.
Kanjani ngoba nanga sesephila ngihlalile ndo. Lethi na time ngisacoacha mina. Coach I never done that. Cause system beseyichinchile bese myself. That time ngisacoacha eKatoras. Those things bezenzakala from juniors. I was coaching eHyper Academy under 19. Benguthatha una 20 ukulanda cause isibehlale belungu. And by that time there was no academy. I mean, understand the academy like us, maybe had to after part we Hyper Academy.
Yeah.
Yile ukumayisese khona. Bengukuthatha intwana njengana car. Ngiyasho intwana le Sunday. Mina understand into yakuqala besithanda amasonto, besithanda imithetho yasendlini. Yonke izinto besizidlalela yasendlini besizidlalela. Manje intwana ngiyazithola etatini, yabona? But that time benginokushaya ngihamba nama player 5. And I registered away 5 ngizodlala ngoba.
Which year was this?
To 2014. Bengicoacha eHyper Academy. That's where
Iqaleni in Hyper Academy.
2014, 2015.
Okay.
That's where I moved the under 19 yonke. Ngamuva nayo ngaKatoras. Coach Katoras SAP. Na Katoras na first season ngayithola seyiyocuila ngayithatha ngayibeka number 8. Then after na coach Katoras 2018, 19 ngacoacha Blue Lions.
Oh yeah.
That's where Blue Lions have won everything. Blue Lions wina wonke amagame. Angaze ngidraw, angaze ngidliwe. Only one game and I was not in charge. Iboss yali club yasevale ayingcela. Bangifonela ngidlala Champ of Champ Gauteng. Hence I was still the first one to win Gauteng. Lapha in the Johannesburg Stadium, in UJ Stadium. Behlala UJ. 2019 mayicala iGauteng Champ of Champ. Angithi la ekuleni yimi ngithi ngirepresenta iGauteng nesicathulo sikamedia. Ngirepresenta ekuleni kuyi Blue Lions nesicathulo sikamedia. The time ngicela ukushaya Stone Villa 4 la.
Yeah.
La eForto Stadium. Then ngashaya isicathulo 2 final, then ngarepresenta bona we2 sahamba sali. Then lena ngawina Lena ngaliSoweto ku final. Because that time ngidlala kanjani ngaliSoweto ku final ngashaya ngathi ngashaya 5-2 or 5-1.
Bodlala ngobani?
Udlala ngobani wena?
Yo, players, bengidlala into encane, team, mina normally mina bengithanda ukudlala into encane, mangicoach. Yabona?
Ngobani so?
Just mention a few.
Ayanda Shabalala, maybe nembizo Iniesta.
Yes, oh yes.
Yeah, kubo Shakes umfana uhlala 6 left. Udlala ngo left you shake it up bese kuba most bokula kubo lo number 6 ku Maswangayo uco number 6 ku Black Leopard ku Black Leopard ku Polokwane City manje uBash kubo usizwe bahlala eDon Park most la engibabizayo not like us boku ama few names abantu bakhona boku Shakes na ayanda ba like us abokhila beyangafika ukhila ufike sekwe-BC club then yeah those are players babe ngidlala ngama-special product ukuthi ngiyazi uma ngilanda i-player ngilanda i-quality under 18 mina bengidlala ama-under 18 normal angaze ngidlale nge-player i-over 23 yeah
First team.
yeah bengidlala ngama-under 23 mina.
So that year Imperials winner ukuwe into mayiwina maya ku ABC
yeah
bekusetho coach
yeah ABC njengoba ngithi ngwine yonke into ngwine i-playoff ngawina i-league ngawina i-champion of champ eGoli ngawina i-champion of champ Gauteng ngawina i-Photo Stadium ngawina futhi billion inendawo lena lapha eWhiteville. So those are the tournaments engawina ngeBlue Lions. So ngawina ne-playoff la ngithatha la ngibeka nge-ABC Mtsipa. It-when singasaphi nama-agreement ne-boss ke. Because ngacela i-boss wena Duke nawe Simpiwe ngathi boss mina ngicela lokhu unginike sonke na 5 games. Mangabe ngiyahluleka because most abafana laba na 5 years ngibacoach abanye ngibuya naba academy. Unike only 5 games na lento engiyifunayo. Mangabe ngiyahluleka noma ngaba i-kid manager nanoma ngahlala eceleni yibo uthi boy lonke labafana bazongibona. So it end up singasaphi ne-agreement. Itwena landa uShakes Mashaba.
Yeah.
Wanika uShakes Mashaba leyo mali leyo. Mina engingafika nokufika with end up anika uShakes Mashaba le 45,000. Mina bengifuna incanyana. It was paying uShakes Mashaba 45,000. Yeah.
Per month.
Yeah, per month.
Now which bonus?
I didn't know that she was earning 45,000. It went up to number 13. Then you
So after come out to club three.
yeah, I coach, I quit the club club. Number 13. It's when manguya. Cause like he chairman buyi out take grand yabona sangakhuluma nayo nami ngapologize said lam nayo apologize. I went back on win streams ngawina most mangibuya la ngine 3 games nokho sabafana bana understanding ngine 3 games landelana then after 3 games ngadraw ne Tigers ngabuya ngawina 2 games ngahlala ku number 6 kwaqala lento lockdown. That's why macala into ama lockdown ke iklabi thema yima ke wayenda pasaka ithengisela uJerry Skhosana eHollywood.
Oh, that's how Hollywood started.
Yeah, iHollywood azange iHollywood iyendi lapha nayo ithema seka maseyibuyela ama team mina zange sabuyela ebholweni. Yeah, zange sabuyela ebholweni so besebenza ama agreement vele baqedela ama game wasele. Then yeah, but mina iBlue Lions ngwele number 13 ku-ABC Mtsipa.
I share 6.
Yeah, I share number 6, 7. So kwaba i-lockdown. So that's where ke ngathi sengihide mina ke. Hayi ngebhola, ngihide nge-team, sengibekile ukusave.
Then opinion yakho kulento le. Do you think ukuthi not ukuthi it's what happened. Do you think ukuthi ama player can make a good coach look bad?
Yeah,
Like in a scenario le ukuthi ama player team be winner when you're there. Then but keep her and then the team started dropping points. So do you think maybe ngenzeka ukuthi ama-player were the cause maybe.
Yeah, let me answer the question oyibuzayo simply. Yazi ama-player, i-player ungalithembi i-player, i-player lala livuka mfethu. Nami ngiyenza into leyo. Yathi thina siyakhuluma singamajika. That's why mina I used to call myself a season coach.
Yeah.
And a big coach kahle kahle.
Yes.
Cause
A big coach.
yeah, cause it's what I hate the team rolling. Lento uthi squad. Yabo want number ni 5. Uhlala wazi ni 5. Phela football manje lezi masamba zi 5. Khona le enemali, khona le ezamayo, khona le edlalayo engana nix kube encinga impilo inteke iyenzima sithanda edlalayo.
Yeah,
khona le landela. Le nemali yiboss yethu la kahle kahle. And was the entire
community.
Yeah, izokutshela ukuthi ndoda ijwaga. Yabona jwaga ndoda le coach yaphethe. And ayinto ozoyenza athi umuntu wathi kuwe coach yaphethe. Uyazi manje uphuma la yokuthengela 12. Ayikho into ozoyenza uvele uzothi makabheka sidlisini. Obvious asidlisini.
Yes.
That's why the football started ukuthi iyenzakala lento yenzakala. Yabona nami ngithe mangifika Blue Lions. Ne? Emase ngibuyela back. Lento na 5 years. So na ama coach akhona into washaya wena Duke ne? Anga understand. There were time maybe ukuthi i-chairman maybe ayinayo imali for that moment ukuthi ibhadale wonke umuntu. Ibhadale wena as coach. Wena as coach mawucela ukujimisa ungena emotweni yahamba. Wawe uthi affecta into lezingakanani ezihleli. Lento lezi 22 zonke ezihleli. Lezi bozijimisa ezilambile wena ungena emotweni yahamba. How aren't you aware ukuthi affecte abantu abangaki lapha emuva? Nathi makhoda lemethi stop lento le ukuthi mawuholile uyicoach kumele ungene emotweni kumele uhambe after training. Mina what I was doing mina bengihola mina lapha Blue Lions. Bengicela ukhola bengibuya nabo ngenyawo. Bengibuya ukukhila amabhodo ngenyawo like bengisuka ngale photo stadium. Mele ngishiye za Suzulu 3. Ngishiye ukukhila amabhodo le ngibashiya lapha eRivat. Mangibashiya eRivat ngizobuya sengibuya leza se6 ngenyawo. Ayingenzi imali ngiphethe la. Azingenzela ukuthi zirespect zazi ngihlupheka nazo zazi nginazo. That's where bezwina beziyenza sure. Bengitshela chairman phezini. Angithi ubonile chairman Flower. Ngicela ke ulungise ke Friday. Ngawafana la usemkhulumeni nami. Friday chairman of afike bafike nama envelope. And the most thing I implement mina bengiyimplant man coach na. Bengithi mangazi intwana zikahulu. Bengukutshela uyi-chairman ngicela intwana lezi ezidate. Ngicela uzorganize ama lunch after training. Because kumele u-understand khona iphume ngadlanga ama ezijimini. Khona iphume engeyidle mayibuyele emuva. And ibhekele imali ungakabi nayo. So nami uchairman bekayenza njalo. That was the good ideas besinayo chairman wami uFlower. Lento abekazibhekela ukudla. Maphume training ayini ukudla kwakhe. Benokudla iplate. Bekune catering team ekhona. Catering eplate ne energy uhambe endlini.
So basically saying ukuthi creating bond nama player it helps kakhulu so that they can understand in a situation.
Yeah.
Like meeting each other halfway.
Yes. Yeah, I understand. Iyenza too much because into ithi some uthi ayibalekele esi coach. Ngingabe ngithi ngicela ama coach na advise ama coach. Ezinye izinto mangabe i-chairman isase mntakantekenyana zama ukuthi ditwenze 1 2 3 ungabheki side lapho because normally mina ngibheki side lapho ukuthi ngiholile mina ngiyaphi nabanye abantu angizanga but at the end ufuna ama results and ngeke ngithole i-result into ayilambile ngentwana enhle ngentwana engekho clear and mele two normal as my coach same basically on coaches now normal my coach we have to do intwana each and every training 3 or 4 players we have to sit nawo uhlale nawo phansi ukhulume nawo because you can't train umfana ongazi ukuthi kuyendlini kunjani. Nanoma bangafani ungeke ubabone ngelanga eliwani. This zenza ukuthi affect team uyenza 1-on-1 naye. Yabona? And the two mina that's why I'm still saying vele ngizobuya ngibig coach afel. Consider ukuthi mina i-training mayiqala ngo9 ngifika ngo8. Ama player mina bese wathi gym na past 8. Ngibona situation yawo. uyabona ukuthi lo wawalka kanje lo okay
Yeah.
uyayibona iplayer iwalking ya ukuthi lena iready yeah you understand that's why ngithi mina normally ngifundiswa ukucoach ama player abawadlala iSundowns most ama former ex Sundowns player ama legend yabona mina icoach yami iyakhipha umuntu for umap simple
For you, warm up.
Yeah,
I will 11.
yeah uphethe mahlangu yeah bekakutshela ukuthi look at this boy is slowly he doesn't want to play
Yeah. Full line up.
so i-player Jukes wina i-team i-game wina ngeomap yabona ama omapa uyayibona iomap yakho ukuthi lena uzowina but iomap uma uyibona lena ngeke izikisela player substitute la mina ngiyasubstitute ngeomap you can ask ama player so that I can't name them but he knows where he is now ukuthi mina bengikusubstitute lokudla oyiwani uyadlala ama ku Stellenbosch ukhakha uma ulikwana you know ulikwana mangakutshela lomfana loya now they late Sibuthu Michael Sibuthu I used to call them my son you know the late Michael Sibuthu there's a boy but Michael Sibuthu was playing on left ulikolani was a lazy boy asithandela into ezifana oneme into ezimvela zikho ezimbi into ezinhle but ezimbi bayathanda into ezifani athanda ukujoka a lazy ejimini angezi but eventually you know ngambekezele that's the only player at the moment engimbekezele engisambona adlala azombala lona ngithema ngimbona semqoshi passport coach Kop called me uKop noma nje mibangasakhuma he called me athi lomfana akekho discipline ngathi mina ngathi ngixoshe no how can ngithi ngixoshe into ukuthi ngifonela nje uthi discipline ngixoshe ngabona ukhakha buya I went to his place ekwanele ngabuya naye ngamthatha ngamusa eSprings they were Timothy Vultures he only played 2 games one of my friends uMakhasi udlala ku goalkeeper he was a goalkeeper trainer ku Tigers uMamelodi Sundowns he called me and what unale mfana ukuthi mfana awu uri ki khakha ngithi my son what's happening are mfana urambasha ngathi relax no stress I'll call him ngaya kuba nje mamakhe ngabuya mama anything can happen soon yayenzakala lento leyo wena Jude kukhakha wakuphela season yakhe Sundowns it happened na Sundowns bazomove aya futhi kuPakoka before Bakoka uqala kuPulukwane City even today still my son still contact with me he's busy saying coach uyazi the way bengilezi ngakhona uyazi umfana bekanjani Jukes bekathi bakajima bowuzukwathe ayenza joke ejimini iplayer that's the only player belingitshela coach usingawa ngizokukorela ngizokumakela ngizokenzela umkhindo yeah ngosinambi ngilezi yeah ukhakha ulikolwane is my boy they are a lot umunye kule part even this boy uFusi Mahlaba lo odlala ku Lesotho Lombalo ngathi mangicala kumdlalisa ku first team yami was 13 years 14 years ngimletha under 19 eHyper
Oh yeah.
Then after under 19 Hyper, yeah, he was coaching by Utapel. Mthatha ngenkanda, lomfana uzodlala. After lapho ngimove under 19 kuya ku SAP, ngamove na 15 years. Ngamdlala SAP. He was strong that boy, even now he's still strong. And he's still young.
So do you watch Ibola Lasekas right now? Because it seems like when I was under more of E-League. Do you watch like tournament Lasekas? Like do you know any of player who are currently like on form much?
Yeah, ngibe kindly honest bafethu mina ngeke ngezithethe jokes ngoba vele yabona ngibe neqinisweni. Kindly honest. Players ekhaya mina i-tournament angisabukeli bafethu. Enza abantu babele ema-groundini bayela utshwala so angazi thini nge-grounding because eventually the last time I went to the ground ngangidayiwe because bengingaboni into eyenzakalayo because it's painful phuma endlini ukuthi ukuyela ibhola uyobukela umuntu bona ethaveni ubusuku bonke so lo muntu what do you expect mina ngizombona lento le ngizobukela into eyincane benginayo ubusuku bonke ethaveni imakile then after ekuseni mele uyodlala ngo-3 o'clock mina ngiyobukela le nto benginayo etshwaleni izobusuku bonke ngcono ngimane ngidala ngizobuza after school ukuthi bani odlalile.
So thina ufuna ukubuza wasesiba labantu what your take on le ntwana bathi ujwagha harmonica
Fana
so
futhi.
emfana futhi bro so what's your take kuwe because of Tina for what you know I believe ukuthi maybe you deserve lo kama but then when abo slow une speed so what your take name kathi uzwa ngathi kunentwana ekuthiwa ujwagha which is uya perform manje kase in peak of career yakhe manje so
Yeah, firstly, before the closing, I would like to tell you the truth about the boy. Mfana ngimcoach kuMighty Blues eNcala ground. Futhi la thola bengathi ngiyamcoach was playing under 10 11. Lo mfana bemangijimisa under 19 kaBongani. He was busy here. Lo mfana usibizwe ngoJwagha while he was still 10 years 11 years. Angingamazi. As you know, mawuthi umfana ukuthanda sisemncane. Mina I was going there ukuthi ngiyocoacha. Lo mfana lo beka ngikhalela ahambe nami endlini. Sometimes nokumtshela I was telling me last time mfana futhi. Uyazibona ngikhayela mangilapha encalo ungafuni ngihambe, ufuna ukuhamba nami. That's when nami uthe makazibiza ngoJwagha ngam appreciate hence namanje ngithi igama ngalithatha. By then mina Jules bengekho silungu. Bengifaster than him. Ngisase ku youth yami pacing yeah mina ingawu mina honest into zokudribula bengazenzi mina bengikhaya ibhola ngidlule phambili ngishaya net is what is doing and is what is best anything ithanda ngayo ngathi angachubela ngayo mfalo angayekeleli because I can see noma ushaya style play shaya style ubana shaya style it doesn't do that yo into ayifuna nje ukuthatha uyazi ufuna
goal minded
boxing cross
is normally football into esifuna these days sifuna igoal
so don't you believe Tamala which I deserve by PSL contract
yeah we deserve honestly we deserve and I'm also there with Nami ngelila ngathi ngahlangana naye maybe ngikhuluma naye maybe ku Facebook na ku WhatsApp so you know mal into zama social media mina zingiphi attraction yomuntu so ngathi ngahlana naye one on one naye yabona ukuthi intwana nami azinto kumele uyenze 1 2 3 pair that's it of which I won't discuss now ngizodiscuss naye one on one mase isikhathi leso but nje all in all he deserve money ama team afile ndotani just into shaya nje thina South African football sidlala ngamabhola YouTube yabona imagine before kube sidlala ibhola kusina ma YouTube ngabe ngiyicaptain eBrazil or ngiyicaptain eItaly ngabe ngidlala ku Barcelona ngoba kube besenza ngama YouTube
yeah
thina bengana ma phone bafethu yabona so hayi lo bafethu ngiyabonga for ilanga leni ngibonga isikhathi seni nami bafethu
so before sesibala Tamala what like ufuna uadvise vele abachita abakhona like so for ujwagha nje bawo futhi because of into isikhathi esiphila kuso manje isikhathi ekuthini ibhola kanje laselushini selinemali so they give young players imali to keep amanayi they forget ukuthi mele ba focus in league football they believe ukuthi okay mangizoya station 2 yodlala tournament ethize bazonginika 3,000 and I believe that i-tournament leyo because of obviously banginika 3,000 angisena nevision ukuthini ku-PSL bona banginika 150,000 for igame one so what your advice ku abachita
yeah I mean my advice to my young boys ukuthi bafethu let's focus in the future and singabheki imali yabona imali izozela and hence usho ukuthi imali ikhona these days bafethu imali ikhona it's all about the focus if you are not focusing busy thinking ukuthi mawulokudla ama top 4 uzoba nemali ngesizulu or ngesilungu bathi easy come easy go ngoba lento le uyithola manje iphela manje kanti into ene period of time uyazi ukuthi ngisayini 5 years le 5 years ungayenza into eziningi uhelp abazali bakho uhelp namanye ama siblings wakho akini so but wena mawuzoyenza lento le ukuthi uyenzela into manje because nemali bakuphama 2000 engithinga uzoyenza 2000 uzoyifaka bocherini uyifaka etshwaleni at end uzoyendlini uzophethe 200 phethe 5,000 ethu namhlanje but mawazi imali ezoza mawazi le mali le 5,000 years izoza uyiplanele bafethu. So bengicela bafethu, ngicela ningathi ukuthi nina nje nibheke ukuthi nathi lesenze bafethu. Thina esikhathini sebhekana namali. Bekunebhola kunganamali. So now you have to think about yourself before uyodlala ama-top 4. Because bafethu kokugcina ngisho ukuthi amabhosi azokuthanda wama-tournament. Mara ithula imali. Uzobona omunye umuntu futhi.
Replaced.
Yeah, ngizwa ngithini. Njengokuthi uzokureplace. That's why mina ngitsho ukuthi I've never believed entweni zama-top 4 zama-tournament. So my last ways to youth yami ngicela bafethu siyekeni ama-tournament. Dlala ama-tournament kayi-3 ngonyaka. NgoJune, nge-Easter, nango-December. You will see your success in your career. Then ubuye ungitshela after that. Ngiyabonga.
Alright. That was it for us today. Yeah. Special shout out to Madibeng Funerals for being with us. And then please like, subscribe, and share. Lapho ku YouTube bafethu. Thank you.